For Brandy, every day is a dance with death.
Even for me, I think for all of us that use it, it's exhausting.
She's talking about her addiction to fentanyl.
You know that you have to have more of it. You're already walking a fine line of doing something you're not supposed to do.
She waits to take her next hit in the North Park blocks on the corner of Northwest Cooch and 8th. The same spot police say 8 people overdosed on powder laced with fentanyl Monday morning.
Some people have a romance with the idea of it. They want to flirt with that, with disaster.
Something she's been doing in Portland for 10 years.
I saw somebody die every day for 10 days straight.
Police don't know if any of Monday's victims died, but say Narcan was used to revive them. A life-saving drug, Brandy, never goes without.
You can get it at any of the pharmacies.
Now, where this mass overdose happened downtown is in an area that is surrounded by homeless resources. Right down the street is Central City Concern, and about a block away is the new Behavioral Health Resource Center. And there are many more, but none of these places offer immediate help for people struggling with addiction. Instead, they point them to the 2 detox centers in Portland, which, as we've told you before, have lengthy wait lists.
The only people who are coming in that situation are your first responders, and we are wearing them thin in a way that is undermining safety in our entire community. We got to do better.
Portland City Council Commissioner Renee Gonzalez saw this firsthand Monday morning while talking with the 911 director during the mass overdose. He immediately took to Twitter, telling people not to call 911 during that time unless it was a life or death emergency.
So it was real time, oh boy, this is going to put a strain on our system. But what they didn't help us with is at the first responder level. We have no place to drop someone off to sober up.
Last week, Multnomah County commissioners voted to spend more than $6 million on emergency detox beds and to start planning for a downtown Portland sobering center. Commissioner Gonzalez says more needs to be done.
Profoundly disappointed there. It puts substantial pressure on our first responders. It doesn't give them the alleviation we promised them.
And that pressure is also being felt in groups like the Overdose Prevention Program at Central City Concern. Juliana De Pietro runs it. Her focus is preventing overdoses by educating people on how to safely use drugs.
Just trying to encourage folks to really slow down, to build that relationship and trust, and get to a point where folks have as much clarity as they possibly can with knowledge about their options for what's next in their using journey.
But Commissioner Gonzalez believes real change will come from a more aggressive approach on prosecuting drug dealers.
We've got to do whatever we can upstream to prevent people from overdosing, from preventing access to fentanyl and meth so easily on our streets.
Those on the streets agree.
You want to solve the drug problem? Get the damn drugs off the street.
Drugs that have become a thorn, piercing through the heart of the Rose City.
If you got people dying from dope, they need to be charged with murder.
Blair Best, KGW News.